UAE's Etihad Rail is connecting all 7 Emirates in 2026. Starting from Abu Dhabi, the train reaches Dubai in just 57 minutes at 200 kilometers per hour. Then continuing through Sharjah and finally reaching Ras Al Khaimah in the north. The full network will connect 11 cities across UAE with 36.5 million passengers expected every single year. No more sitting in traffic on Sheikh Zayed Road. Just hop on the train and explore the entire UAE. Each train carries 400 passengers with Wi-Fi, modern cabins, and dining services. Etihad Rail will change the way everyone travels across the Emirates forever. Would you ride Etihad Rail from Abu Dhabi to Ras Al Khaimah? Don't forget to subscribe to MapVoyage for more amazing route videos.